guys, and today I have a squishy vending machine. The mechanism of this machine was inspired by I'm Yawawords. I'll leave her channel in the description box. Definitely check her out. She has some amazing homemade vending machines. So without further ado, let's get right onto the machine. Without money, it is locked. Dimes, pennies, and nickels are rejected. Here's a nickel. Anything smaller than this will obviously get rejected. Putting in a quarter. It now pushes and your prize comes out. So this time, since the squishes were so tiny, 3 came out. So here is the mechanism. I made it in a way where it's way too crowded to show you how it works, but I'll try my best. But if you do not get it, definitely check out I'm Yawawords because she does have a full tutorial on this type of mechanism. The mechanism is very similar to my Lego machine, and I'll leave a link in my description box, except the coin mechanism for the lock is a bit different. That hole is basically the rejection mechanism. If you put anything smaller than a quarter, then it just rejects it into the hole, like so. If you put a quarter, it is big enough to fall through the hole. Over here, the thing that is locking this big button is this, and it's basically stopped by a little seesaw. If you try to push the button, it stops it from going, and you could try lifting the button too, but you can't do it without money. Watch closely to what happens to this thing when I put a quarter in. You can see that it lifts up, allowing me to push the button and then push back, and it will lock again. So I will demonstrate it one more time with a squishy in there. So the squishy falls into the hole. The button is locked because this is stopping it from going. I put a quarter in, the seesaw lifts up, and so now I could push it and pull it back, the prize falls out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Bye!